Eno lounger chair. It is made out of the same material that the parachute-like material that the other Enos are. Has a cup holder right here. There's a pocket where you can store the bag itself. It's actually really comfortable. You sit down, it kind of gives you that hammock-like feel. Great for camping or just like sitting outside. One thing that I wouldn't do with it is go put it in the sand. I did it. It was a mistake. Sand gets in the little holes where the poles go into. There's also a other pocket where you can put stuff right there. Let me show you. I'm gonna take it apart and put it back together for you. Probably speed this up. Really easy to. So it just comes off like this. Goes into the Eno bag here. This is the frame itself. It's like almost like a camping tent. They have the elastic bungees here, and then they go in. But you take it apart. I put the poles in first, and then I take this, put it together, and just kind of stuff it like I would a sleeping bag. Here's a little. It's packed up. Has an adjustable strap here. You can put it over your arm. You can put carabiners on here if you needed to carry other stuff out. Anyway, this is Mark from Adventure Dad, and I'll see you in the next video.